Hey, mwah. Now, I'm convinced that the South African Broadcasting Corporation would make a great reality television show like SABC. We blew it. That's because this week in the news, the South African government wants Netflix and MultiChoice to collect TV license fees for the South African Broadcasting Corporation. What kind of a slavery is this? I mean, now I'm convinced that the SABC people don't watch SABC. They have clearly subscribed to Netflix and they are bringing their SABC problems to Netflix. The Broadcasting Corporation thinks Netflix is a credit collector. They might as well include Hulu, Amazon, Credit Works, and whatever you call, what you mama call. I mean, what is a TV license in 2020? It might as well... Yeah, we might as well bring back Hitler, Hendrik Verwoerd, Frederick Lugard, or whoever that's dead. Whatever. I don't know. I'm pushing it. That's like asking a Nigerian, what is SARS? Well, not quite the same. At least not until recently, following the call by many Nigerians asking their government to end SARS. Now, if you are a South African and this is for the first time you hear about the hashtag end SARS, you are probably confused, asking yourself, wait, did I miss something? Why are Nigerians calling for SARS to end? Is that even legal? Hey, these people, I don't get it. What is wrong? What is going on? Look, not that I don't mind or I don't care about SARS ending or not. That's not the point. I just need to understand. This could be good news, but why are Nigerians involved? What is going on? What kind of a scam is this that the government is pushing? And that's only because, as a South African, SARS is the body responsible for tax administration. But in Nigeria, SARS is the Special Anti-Robbery Squad, a controversial unit of the police force, responsible for handling serious crimes like armed robberies, car snatching, kidnappings, cattle rustling, and dangerous crimes, man. Crimes associated with guns. Now, since 2017, this unit has been accused of violating some human rights, like illegal stops and searches, illegal arrests and detentions, extrajudicial killings, extortion, sexual harassment, and other human rights abuses. But even with controversies, ridicule, and political opportunism around the movement, the hashtag EndSARS movement doesn't want your money. It is not a political party. It is just ordinary Nigerians, some of whom have suffered these crimes at the hands of this unit they are asking the government to end. That has become a pariah in their society at the expense of the tax money. Well, who cares about tax money anymore in this day and age when underperforming government entities like the South African Broadcasting Corporation that is always asking for bailouts at the expense of the taxpayer is pulling all strings possible to get the taxpayer to pay a mere TV license. TV license. That thing that is linked to LinkedIn. TV license, man. The one with a license that has SABC. I mean, but they never even ask for it. Asking for a TV license is like a police officer stopping you and asking for a dump pass. You are asking me for a TV license. You don't even know how to collect the money. Just send us your number. We'll send you an e-wallet, Mukuru, M-Pesa, something. But don't fuck with our Netflix. Don't. Honestly, SABC, grow up. Get a job. Cut a beard. Be clean. I don't know what the fuck is a TV license. I thought it was a cable. I forgot. Yeah. Well, you can leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah, while I'm still here, I'm waiting. Renew.
Anna, says Jaiva song. Says guitar song. Says Jaiva song. Says guitar song. Move, sing on a mouth. Yes.
Ay, wala ya kasi.